What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we are going to be doing something. My wife has asked me to paint something with some, violet hues, white, black, something kind of neutral but with like purple highlights. So that's what we're doing today. I have a violet, titanium white, onyx black, and a dioxazine purple. All these colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium that I used was the Artist Loft pouring medium. I have a little extra black over here just to help the edges not roll under. And there is 1 to 2 drops of the coconut milk hair serum in the colors, with the exception of the black I'm using for the base. And with that, we're gonna go. All right. It is a beautiful day here in Phoenix. It's a really nice day. Kind of a nice little breeze, but it's still warm. Got a call from one of my buddies last night. I guess he's on a TDY over there working with Nogales. So that's really cool. And then over here we have, so y'all know that I work with a rescue. I think we have a lot of kittens here now. My wife found 3 more that probably were gonna pass. So she's brought them home and we've been bottle feeding them. Well, I say we, but she has been bottle feeding them and, nursing them back to health. There's some really cool looking little guys. I don't know the genders yet, but they're really cool looking. I like them a whole lot. There's like a little white one, so cute. But that has been eating up a lot of time recently trying to help, because I can't have her doing all that by herself. That just wouldn't be right. So I'll try to help. All right, and I'm gonna do one other thing. I know we've layered it all pretty and stuff. A lot of these colors I'm putting on the bottom, this is where they're gonna be, so I'm using them just for volume's sake, really. But I'm gonna take one of the popsicle sticks and slice through these layers and make like a quadrant in the cup. So just drag the stick along the edges all the way through and come up, and then do it again over here. And I'm just hoping that kind of introduces some weird lining that's inside the cup. All right. I don't know. Here, we're just gonna do the whole thing. So no messy flips today. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, and before, let me do this. Just a little bit of the base. I should have put some base down before I flipped the cup on there. But I think we'll be all right. All right, there's that. All right, I'm excited for this one. It's gonna be nice. Ooh. Wow, I like that a lot. Let's see, where's my torch? Let me get that thing. Get the torch. Let me get some base coat to spread around, because we're gonna torch it, and then before the cells fully get large, then we're gonna spin. So a little bit of prep work, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. I don't think I said that I hope you guys are having a great day today. I might have. My memory's starting to get worse and worse and worse. But at least I remember how to paint. That's the important stuff. All right, see some of this black here. I can't tell the difference between the black from the cup and all right, so we got some really cool big cells. Still a big puddle of paint sitting there. So we're gonna try to create, you know, little, there we go, that's what we're looking for. And then a spin. And I'm just gonna let it do its thing because those cells are expanding while the spin is going on. So if I was to abruptly stop it, it'd probably have some really strange looks to it. So I'm gonna just let it gradually slow down. But I'm loving what I'm seeing already. Got some really spots of really cool stuff. All right, just nice. Wow, that is so cool looking. I think I'm gonna hit torch that section just a little. Let me turn this thing down. I was not expecting it to. There we go. Shoot flames across the room. All right, cool. Here we go. Yeah, just little bits here and there. Oh, well, that was more than a little, but that's okay. The big white patches, I really love the way the cells kind of bloom together in there. There we go. All right. Love it. So let me bring you guys down. I want you to see this thing. It is gorgeous. Look at all these tiny little cells in here. Don't tell anyone, but I already showed Virginia and she loved it. So here's to hoping that it dries really well.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.